What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video of Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. Let's straight to So, today's video, I'm going to be doing a Crocs lookbook with the few Crocs that I do have. So, let's get straight into this video. So, I have 4 Crocs, and I will be having 4 outfits with these Crocs. I have rainbow, the yellow, the light orange, and then the metallic pink ones. The only ones that I have gibbets on, these were my first pair of Crocs. And these are the 4 Crocs, and I will show y'all 4 outfits that can go with these Crocs. We're gonna start with the yellow Crocs, so let's do a little transition to the outfit. This is the outfit for the yellow Crocs, as y'all can see. I got the yellow Crocs on, got some white socks on as with them, some tights, and then this Poetic Justice oversized t-shirt that I'm wearing as a dress, which is very long, really is, since I'm very short. Yeah, I think it's cute. Can't even really show my whole outfit without showing my face. But this one looks like from the top. On to the next color, we have this light orange Croc. They do have a brighter orange, but I just call it an orange Croc. So let's jump into that outfit. So we're into our next outfit. Let me put my Croc on. And this is the next outfit. So we have this shirt. I only wore this shirt because of this little orange stuff in it. Or yellow looking stuff in it, and the orange. Because it matches the Crocs. So we got this shirt. And we got these dark green pants. Because it goes with the shirts. Right. And now y'all really want to see the outfit with the Crocs, not me talking. But here they are. I think it's very simple. I'm trying to really show y'all the whole outfit without like showing my face. Okay, there we go. I really like this outfit. Yeah. So you got the orange Crocs, we got the dark green pants, and then you got this like very colorful striped shirt, but it has orange in it, like the dark orange that goes with that. I really like it. The next Croc, we have the tie-dye rainbow Croc. I really like this shoe. I don't wear it often because it's not a lot of outfits that I wear with this shoe. But I found an outfit that I think it goes really good with it. So let's jump right into this outfit. So I got my outfit on, put my Croc on. So I'm gonna show you how to top of the outfit first. So this is a layered outfit. So I have this jean like shirt on, button-up shirt, and underneath that I have a black crew neck shirt on, which you can see where I ruffled up at the top. I really like how I did the top. And I tucked it in, well not tucked it in, but I rolled it up at the bottom so it won't flare all the way down. But it's kind of big on me. I don't really care. Then we have black pants to go with it, and our rainbow Crocs. Our tie-dye Crocs anyway. I like this outfit. I do. The only thing I would have to do is keep rolling this shirt up because I ain't got it tucked in or nothing for it to stay. But that's the only thing. That's what the back looks like, is tucked up as well. Got the Crocs. This, okay, I'll just let it fall now. Okay, let me show y'all the outfit again. So, tie-dye Crocs, black pants, and then we got the overlay shirt type going on. Last Croc We have the metallic Croc with all the gibbets on them. I'm missing one of my gibbets. They fell off. But let's jump into that outfit. So, the last outfit for the metallic Crocs. Hold on. Let me put my Crocs back on. And here's this little simple casual outfit. The little Crocs. So we have these are like sweatpants. And they're pink and purple. They got tie-dye, but they're white with tie-dye pink and purple on the side. Which the pink really goes with the metallic color. Well, the metallic color, not the bottom of my shoe. I have this black shirt on, which I tucked into my pants to give it that loose looking fit. Whatever. My hair, don't mind my hair, it looks a mess. Now let me show y'all the outfit. Let me lower the camera so y'all can see it. We got the metallic Crocs. We got the jogger material pink pants. We got a black shirt. Y'all can see the whole outfit like this. That was the last outfit of this Crocs lookbook. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't already, subscribe. What are you doing? Well, you gotta hit that like button, comment to the nice in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.